Yo, what's up guys? Kind of regretting making this video today. As you can see, we took another big loss, unfortunately. So that kind of sucks. Down 1,500 on the week already. It got chopped around again. My trade played out perfectly, but not before it stopped me out. So I took one trade today. It says two here because I placed the wrong contract size, so I just added contracts. So it's just one trade on this account, and I did start another funded account, Combine. I don't want to show my account number, but I made half the profit target on that today. So that was $1,500 win. And actually, you know what, I can just cut that out here. Yeah, so right here, $1,503. So one trade, 15 micros. So I just need one more trade on that to pass that. I figured we are getting very close to blowing the other account. I'm $500 off my maximum loss limit. Obviously, that's not the goal to blow that account, and I'm gonna have to seriously lock in for the next few weeks if I want to survive on that account. But I figured it'd be good to get this started as backup. So with that being said, let's get into the chart. Actually, let's get into what we had for news today. Today we had two red folder events, so one at 5:15 a.m. and one at 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And as you can see on the daily chart, what I was talking about yesterday, we have this fair value gap here on the daily that, as you can see, we ended up closing above yesterday. So I was super bullish on the day already, and then right in the morning, like I said at that 5:15 a.m. news, we got, you can see it better on the 1 minute, but this was our data candle right here, and this was the data high. Always a strong draw on liquidity, obviously. And for some reason, pre-market, we just absolutely took a shit. Like, we dumped like 250 points all the way down, and it actually worked out pretty good for me. I did like this. I didn't like that I didn't take out this low, but I liked the fact that we dumped because I wanted to target this high, so there's lots of risk to reward on the table. And as you can see, we tapped into this 4-hour fair value gap and respected it. So that was another bullish sign for me. The only thing we didn't really get was a liquidity sweep because we dumped so much pre-market, right? But I was very confident we were going to push up today and take out this high, or like nonetheless fill in this big ass 15-minute fair value gap. And I was looking for longs right after the second news event hit. Second news event was right here, and we actually started to push up really hard here. So I'm like, shit, here we go. We're gonna go up to this high, right? Like, that's kind of how price has been moving nowadays, kind of up, down, up, down, up, down. And I waited till this 5-minute candle closed. Right here, we had this 5-minute fair value gap. I waited till this candle closed above it, and that is where I entered the first trade. And this was the first trade was on my live account. As you can see right here, it's about just above a 1-to-1, and I don't want to say it was a bad entry, but definitely early. Like, I realistically needed to take this trade where I took this trade, because this was kind of a stupid mistake today. I should have waited for the pullback back down into, I believe it was a 3-minute. Yeah, we had this big 3-minute fair value gap. As you can see, we respected it. So my entry really should have been like literally right exactly where this one is. So I'm not gonna say that was a great trade, even though, as you can see, took a long time, but it did play out with, I mean, this is the thing that really gets me, right? If I'm not an idiot and I enter that trade later, so my entry would have been right here, right? Right where this crosshair is. No drawdown at all. And if I would have hit this target, that would have been about a $1,300 win. And I took a $500 loss because I fucked up by literally, this one closed at 7:10 and I took this one at 7:15. Sorry, I opened this one at 7:04. 10-minute difference. I fucked myself out of $1,300. So I'm kind of out of a loss for words for that. I really needed a win today. And this looked like a great setup to me. I'm not mad I took this trade. I'm just mad I entered a little bit too early. And unfortunately, I think I sized up a little bit too much. And if my stop loss would have been a little bit lower, we would have been good. But got auto liquidated right on that candle anyways. So I was out there. Nothing I could have done about it. And that's kind of the problem I've been finding. I get stopped out before the move happens with price action like this. And there's nothing I can really do to adjust that other than trade. I'm going to be trading probably 1 or 2 micros the next few days trying to get my balance back up. So that's all I can really do for that. And this second trade, this $1,500 trade, it's simple. I entered after that 3-minute fair value gap got respected like I showed you guys. Chopped around a bit. And yeah, hit take profit right there. Obviously, if this was a live account, I would have extended this all the way up here and then trailed my stop. That would have been a 1 to 4, which would have been nice. But I got a 50% consistency rule, so I can't make more than $1,500 anyways. So that was a solid trade. That's what I should have done on the first trade, and that would have been about a $500 win right there, right? So it is what it is. I'm gonna try to save this account, and I mean, it takes one good day to bring it back. The balance right now is currently minus 1,100. But I got 4 to 5 winning days, so I just need to get that balance up and I'll be getting a payout. So it's not looking too good, but it is what it is. This is only my 3rd ever live account. The first 2 blew within a few days, so this is the longest I've ever had a live account. It's going on 3 weeks now, so I'm proud of what I've done so far. I had a really good last week in November. And price action's just been tough this month, and I've never had bad price action on a live account like this, so unfortunately I'm kind of learning by losing right now. So it is what it is, but yeah, as you guys can see, like even on the 1 minute, like up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, like it takes so long for price to deliver. Like from the start of the reversal, let's just call it 7 a.m., this trade hit the data high at 12. 5 hours. Like, in normal price action, that maybe would have taken an hour tops. More like 30, 45 minutes, right? And, yeah, so I'm not too mad about today, but it does sting, and I kind of hate that I have to talk about it because I just want to forget about it, but come back stronger tomorrow, and let's see what we got on the calendar. Yeah, unemployment claims at 5:30 a.m., so should be another interesting day. Should get another nice data wick. We'll see if we can take a trade based off that again, but we'll see how that goes, and if I do take a trade, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. And yeah, that's it. So I'll see you guys.